Welcome back to Cryptowhizz, your number one stop place for your knowledge on cryptocurrency and blockchain. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel as we provide the latest and greatest in crypto. Now, let's get right to the video. With large corporations like Samsung and Adidas buying into virtual land, the big question is this the next big thing? A lot of us have already missed out on the Bitcoin train, and maybe even more, have absolutely no clue what to do about the current NFT wave. Now the Metaverse comes along, an actual virtual reality that has tools to enable people to build entire personalities and lives that run simultaneously with their physical activities, interact with other people, do business, make investments, and apparently buy land. The two largest Metaverse platforms, Decentraland and the Sandbox, where Metaverse land is marketed and purchased, are built on the Ethereum blockchain technology. This means they are exchanged, bought and sold, with Ethereum and made available as NFTs. As of March 2022, Decentraland was reported to host an estimated 600 million active users monthly and 6,000 unique users daily. The platform allows users to play games and take part in non-commercial activities without a cryptocurrency wallet. However, you will need one to earn, buy, and sell on Decentraland. In this video, we'll take a quick look and walk you step by step through the process of purchasing virtual real estate from Decentraland in a manner that is both comprehensive and easy to follow. We'll also look at 5 ways to make passive income in the Metaverse. Now let's go over purchasing land in the Metaverse. Step 1. Select a Metaverse platform. Choosing a Metaverse platform is a necessary first step to investing in real estate within the Metaverse. Your purpose for purchasing land will decide what platform you choose and what you eventually do with your purchase. While we will be talking about Decentraland in this video, there are other Metaverse platforms available where virtual real estate is marketed, bought, and sold, including the Sandbox, Cryptowhizz, Somnium Space. Decentraland is built on ETH blockchain technology, and land is marketed on the platform as NFTs with coordinates that correspond to a specific location on the network, so no two parcels are the same. The Decentraland world is broken down and ordered into districts, each differentiated by its unique content. Users are able to go around various regions in order to engage with one another, view material, and share it. These districts act as an advanced targeting tool, enabling creators and companies to convey their content more effectively to a very defined audience. You can only make NFT purchases on Decentraland using Ethereum or Mana. Step 2. Set up your wallet. Users are required to create an Ethereum wallet in order to keep their cryptocurrencies and newly purchased digital assets safe before they make purchases or buy land on Decentraland. Decentraland recommends MetaMask, a cryptocurrency wallet that can be integrated into your web browser. First, you'll need to get the MetaMask Chrome extension so that you can create an Ether wallet using MetaMask. After providing a password, you will be given a 12-word secret recovery phrase to use in case you forget it. It is a MetaMask requirement that you hide your recovery phrase securely and do not reveal it to any other person. In the event that you lose your password and need to recover your wallet for some reason, you will be required to enter the recovery phrase. However, if someone ever learns your recovery phrase, they will have access to your MetaMask wallet and funds. Step 3. Link your wallet to Decentraland. After adding the MetaMask Chrome extension to your browser, you will be able to link your wallet to Decentraland, which is pretty self-explanatory, since all you'll need to do is head over to Decentraland and click Connect Wallet. This will automatically prompt your wallet into Decentraland just by clicking a few buttons. Doing so will link your wallet as an account, similar to signing into social media with your email or username. Step 4. Purchase Ethereum using Coinbase or Binance. After you purchase Ethereum on an exchange, you can then transfer those funds into your MetaMask by providing your receiver address of MetaMask into Coinbase. Send option for Ethereum. And Step 5. Choose your virtual asset. You only need to navigate to the Decentraland marketplace to finish this step. Once it is open, go to the section labeled Land and look for a piece of property that you would like to acquire. Follow the directions in the game to get through the transaction once you have identified an asset and begun the process of acquiring it. After the transaction, it only takes a quick peek at your wallet to see your new virtual property listed. Now, let's go over the 5 ways to make passive income in the metaverse. The first way is to advertise. In a similar fashion to the real world, companies and brands are looking for a virtual brand presence. They want a means of advertising products and events within the metaverse, making themselves as visible as possible. Virtual billboards and other forms of advertising space are readily available for you to buy and own within metaverse platforms such as Blocktopia. This gives investors passive income from brands who are willing to pay to advertise there. If you purchase several billboards in developed or developing areas early on, then the rewards could be even greater. As the area becomes more popular, then you can charge advertising fees to the highest bidder. The second way is to develop your land. Once you've secured your plot of land, what are you going to do with it? You don't need a qualification in structural engineering to make an impact. Conduct some simple research and understand what's missing in your area. Then, you'll be able to introduce properties, businesses, and even virtual shops. In short, create things of interest to people or the community. The more time and effort you spend on it, the higher its potential value to others. If you are against building from scratch, why not purchase an estate with something already on it? Then, by making subtle improvements, you'll be able to watch as its value increases steadily over a shorter period. The third way are play-to-earn games. Play-to-earn games are already very well established in the blockchain industry. This allows you to earn cryptocurrency tokens for participation or achievements in a virtual game. This mechanism is also prevalent in the metaverse too. Platforms like the Sandbox have introduced game mechanics to their virtual worlds. With that comes the opportunity for you to earn by simply taking part in P2E games. P2E games haven't truly taken off yet, but this will soon become one of the most prevalent use cases for metaverse participation and a good reason to get involved. The 4th way is to buy land strategically. There are 2 main reasons why you might want to purchase land in the metaverse. First and foremost, you generally only tend to buy land if you are planning on building a home or possibly a business there. Metaverse homes are a great way for people to show off their lifestyle online. This is in a similar way to how many people had a personal web page during the early days of the internet, before making the more recent switch over to social media. The main reason for buying land though is as an investment. Now, as we know, with any kind of investment comes risk, but also the prospect of high rewards. Choosing up-and-coming metaverse platforms to buy land in, while they're still relatively unknown, could pay off later down the line. And the 5th way is to create experiences. Many investors will buy plots with the sole intention of doing very little and just sitting on it. This is in the hope of selling it for a profit later down the line. Using metaverse design companies, you can easily multiply the value of your plot many times over. This is with custom-designed architectural masterpieces, shrewd business concepts, event spaces, or even tourist attractions. Let your imagination run wild. It's not hard to see just how big metaverse development will become in time. New businesses spring up almost daily with incredible structures and experiences that will attract users to your land, multiplying its value exponentially. If you liked this video, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Cryptowhizz, the #1 stop place for your knowledge on cryptocurrency and blockchain. Don't forget to comment down on this video any topic you'd like for us to cover. And remember not to take anything as financial advice.